In today's video, I'm going to make 5 different recipes with 5 ingredients or less that are perfect for football parties. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney, and today we are discussing 2 of my favorite F words, food and football. When it comes to football foods, you want heavy filling foods that are gonna suck up the alcohol, that fuel your energy to keep yelling at the TV. It's such a good time. And all of today's recipes have 5 ingredients or less that are fantastic. Look, there's another F word, fantastic. Today we'll be making mini pizzas, nachos, jumbo pigs in a blanket with honey mustard, smothered cheese fries, and slow cooker barbecue meatballs. All of these recipe links are listed below on my website, cheferinskitchen.com. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Let's get a home run.
Let's get this party started with some mini pizzas. Take some English muffins and split them apart, put them face side up on a baking sheet. Then you're going to take your pizza sauce and put a small amount on each muffin. Spread it into an even layer. Don't do like I did and leave one out. Look at that, I left it out. Don't worry, we'll get back to it. Take your grated mozzarella cheese and start piling that on top of the pizza sauce. Oh, look, there, I discovered it. All good. And for our toppings, you can use whatever you want here. You can use plain cheese for the picky kiddos, or you can use mini pepperonis. Those are my favorite to put on top of these little mini pizzas. It's great to have a variety of different flavors of pizzas, and when you have multiple party guests. Here are some chopped onions and peppers for my veggie-loving friends. And then the last one, I'm doing a combination of both meat and veggies. Pop that in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is melted. Serve warm. Next up, we have our loaded nachos. Cook 2 pounds of ground beef and drain completely. Put it in a medium-sized mixing bowl, and then we're taking a 16-ounce jar of salsa con queso. We're going to stir that together really well. Once it's stirred together, try really hard not to eat it just yet. Spread 1 bag of tortilla chips into a baking pan. We're using 1 pound of sharp cheddar cheese that has been grated. I like to take a block of cheddar and grate it myself because it has a much smoother consistency. Then we're going to take that ground beef mixture and spread that on top. Take the remaining amount of cheddar and sprinkle that on top of the beef mixture. And we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 6 to 10 minutes, just until the cheese is melted and you are ready to dig into these loaded nachos. Oh, it's time to make my favorite, jumbo pigs in a blanket with honey mustard. These are my favorite hot dogs to use in this recipe, but you can use whatever you prefer. Lay your hot dogs out on a cutting board, and then we are going to cut them directly in half. Set those aside, and then we have 2 cans of crescent roll dough. Unroll each one, place a hot dog half, and roll it on up. Next, we are going to grease our 9 by 13 inch baking dish with cooking spray. This keeps the piggies from sticking to the bottom of the pan, because I can tell you right now, when they come out of the oven, you are going to want to be able to pull them out of there and stuff them in your mouth. Come on, Pokey, let's move a little bit faster. I'm hungry. There you go, girl. Get it! Let's put these in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. While the piggies are baking away in the oven, we're going to make our honey mustard dipping sauce. So combine half a cup of mayonnaise with 3 tablespoons of honey and 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and whisk it. Whisk it good. Pull the piggies out of the oven when they are puffed and golden, and serve with that honey mustard dipping sauce. Now it's time to make our smothered cheese fries. While I have the french fries baking in the oven on a sheet pan, I'm going to make the sauce. Combine 1 can of cheddar cheese soup with half a cup of milk. We are cooking this on medium to high heat, stirring frequently. Then you want to add 3 cups of grated sharp cheddar cheese, Again, I grated it myself because it melts much smoother for a better consistency. Keep cooking and stirring until it is completely velvety smooth. When your fries are done baking or frying, however you choose to cook them, spread them out on a platter. You have two options for the cheese sauce here. You can serve it in a dish on the side if people would like to dip their fries in the cheese sauce, or just pour it on there and smother them up to go along with the name, the Smothered Cheese Fries. Oh, look at that. Those poor French fries are drowning in cheese. I need to rescue them. Top it with bacon for the ultimate experience. Last but certainly not least, we are making the sauce for our Slow Cooker BBQ Meatballs. In a mixing bowl, combine 18 ounces of honey barbecue sauce, 1 cup of ranch dressing, and half a cup of light brown sugar. I hope you didn't put that whisk away because we're going to whisk it good again. Make sure you break up any lumps of sugar and whisk it until it's smooth. Dump 1 bag of home-style frozen meatballs into a slow cooker and pour the sauce all over it. Give it a good stir so you make sure the meatballs are fully coated. Cover and cook on low for 2 to 3 hours. When they're done cooking, give a quick stir and turn setting to low to keep warm. Taking a look at our spread here. If your friends and family members don't like this, you should find new friends and family members. I kid.
That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed these 5 recipes with 5 ingredients or less that are fantastic football food. That's 3 F words. And I hope that your team gets a touchdown. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. I almost forgot to eat my favorite. Jumbo Piggies! This is ridiculous.